Okay, welcome back. So yesterday was kind of a roundabout day where I struggled a lot with trying to get the the chat system up and running, and it finally did work in the end. So just a quick recap on it working. I'm gonna pull up the builds that I did, and let's go to builds. So 2 builds, bring up 3 builds. Okay, so you are A, you are going to be B, or whatever that was, and you are C. So him walking up there, he gets the green light to chat. He gets a green light to chat. The second guy, he's going to go into the chat. The other 2 people are locked out of the chat. And if he walks away from the chat, so let's take him away. So that him walking away doesn't change the fact that this chat is locked. If this guy walks away, this guy is still in range. So if this guy, oh wait, that guy is me. Let's put him in range. It's this guy. So he's out of range. So that doesn't change anything going into range or out of range. Now he's still in range, and he is going to walk away from the chat. So once he walks away from the chat, he can now chat with him. He can't because he's still out of range. So it all works now. And we just want to connect this now to sorry. We want to connect this now to MySQL, because if it was 2 people in here, it worked fine. When a third person enters and someone's already chatting, once he enters, he's going to see the white icon, which I don't want that to happen. I want that when he walks in, he sees a red icon because they're already in a chat. I've already set up a place on MySQL. So let me open that up. Okay, and let's get to our script now. Yes, I am human. Lion, 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 lion. Alright, so where I'm going to be placing the MySQL change will be going to normal state. And it's only when I make that change. Hold on. Yeah, it's if I make the change into it's these 2 here. So this is going into chatting, and this is going... Alright, I'll put it in here, and then I'll put it above this. Because it doesn't matter whether you're in chatting distance or not. You've come out of your... You've come out of chatting. And the... Where is it? SQL tools? Load NPC data. So I can get rid of that now, I think. And each NPC is going to load up that resource is loading. Which two things are those? I should do it by names. Okay, 2 is the scene name. Small letters. Whoops. Scene name. 3 is the Is that right? What's the question asked? Two is sorry, stupid me. 0, 1, 2. I forgot the 0. Okay, so this is that's the NPC name. It's 2. On resources, use the NPC name again to get the folder for that NPC. And then 3 is the NPC dialogue. That's going to be the current dialogue. The next thing I want from this NPC is what's it called? NPC state. So I'm going to set his NPC state to that right syntax. I did that somewhere before. Where did I do that? Up here. Oh, wrong way around. This goes in the brackets. And this stays out. Very weird, but I guess I'm casting it to NPC state, the int. And that int is going to be will this work? and this is going to be NPC state. Okay, which is at 0 right now. Fingers crossed. Actually, let me change that. So an NPC state of 0, 1, 2. Let me set that to 2. Alright, and let's see what happens when I go in. Save. 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 Play. Oh. It helps when you do shortcuts in the right screen. I did save that. Alright. Connect. A join. It should already be in. Nope, didn't work. Why did it not work? Street. Bob. No, Bob is set to can't chat. Oh, he's in can't chat. I just have to do the icon for it. So let's just do an if then. Where is it? Nope, load NPC. If. Let's grab this. Go to 0. Left cast this as an int. Oh, wait, no, icon. Sprite. Let's do an else if. What I said was it was 2. Then can't chat. Save and try. Oh, got to stop it. And good. And if I move in and out, that should not do anything. He's in that state for a reason. Because somebody else put him in that state. Now, if that someone else gets disconnected, that NPC is going to be stuck in that state. I'm going to worry about that later down the line when I'm figuring out what kind of bugs can come up. Because on a disconnection, yeah, I'll figure that out later. I just want to get this working in a basic way. As though everything is working perfectly, then that's pretty much what I want to get done. Okay, so we're now gonna have to send the message. So ICP tool save NPC data. What were we saving in this? We're updating the dialog. Okay, that's what we said in this. And let me do another one. Just copy all of it. And this one will be save NPC state. Okay. What do I need? Okay, so update. Set NPC dialog. No, I want to set NPC state. To be equal to the int state state int. Scene name. Okay, so I'll take the scene name and I'll take the NPC name. Okay, and all right, so this is going to be, I think this will do fine. And that just does the very, I should package this all up into a separate script since I'm using it over and over again. Public void send the data and SQL. They're gonna make me make this static. Okay, copy. Paste. String. Action string. All right. And the SQL. Let's send it. This. Where is it? String query. Connection string. Oh, I have to. That was connection string. That should be inside there too. Actually, probably above this. And so I'm not sending a connection string, I'm sending a query into it. And I no longer need you. And I can get rid of all of this. And I no longer need you. Good. All right. That would have been in the dialog panel that I used it, which was where did I use it? Update chat state. Where was that? Nope, not that. Here we go. Up here. Okay, so on the NPC now, like I said, it's when we are doing these changes here. So if I make this change, then I'm wondering. Okay, so I had separated my scenes where in the dialog panel, when I go to close the panel, it was sending the message here about where was it? It was closing the thread and updating through RPC, but doing the MySQL save was very time intensive for that one, because when hold on. Oh, okay. When it sends the SQL, there is a long delay on that. So what I did was I separated it into a separate thread. I'm now wondering if I should do that thread inside of the SQL tools so that this would be sent on a separate thread. Try it and see if it works. So right now I'm just going to get rid of this. Plus I need to get that info as well. Save. So on the database, I'm going to reset it back to introduction. And this, all of this, let's just grab it and move with it. Copy that and go into here, SQL tools. What do I have to do for this? I forget. Ready. Okay, so add SQL will replace this. This will be send SQL. Query's going to come in. Bring query and send SQL. Going to be the query. And that makes this run on a separate thread. I don't even know if I need this line. It was in the tutorial. I'll try and get rid of it at one point to see if it still works. Because all I think I need to do is just set this thread up as that. I don't really need to name it. I don't name this one. But I'll leave it for now. Thread SQL. Alright. And these are those. Let's get some distance between those. Then query. Oh, this one needs it as well. And query. Now, I don't want to send query, I want to thread the query. And the thread the query puts in a different thread and then sends this. Save. On this now I can remove all of this stuff, get rid of that. I don't need any of this. Don't need that. I don't need that. Don't need that. SQL2 save. Alright. This stuff here I do need for the NPC. But for now, scene manager. What else does it need? Just say that. And then okay, so I don't want to use this as yet. Plus, that's not save NPC data. That's going to save NPC state. And change to is not this. Change to is an int. I forget how to get the int of a enum. But for now, let's not focus on that. I just want to make sure that everything I did in here didn't break anything. And what is this? And that'll change to... I can get rid of that. I'm not using that anymore. Save. Oh, I've got the NPC state set to 2. Let me set that back to 0. Alright. Join. It should be normal, and I should have introduction as my first thing. So go into chat. Hi, my name is Bob. Hope you have a good day. I exit out. I can still chat. Let me just update, refresh my MySQL. Good. Oh, it changed. All right, good. That does work then. And it was nice and smooth. Alright, so I will now go to MySQL tools and nope, NPC. And let's uncomment this. And we now have to do some research. Stack Overflow. What do they have to say? Int dot row. Alright, so that means that I can do NPCState dot. I'm going to which? I'm going into chatting, so chatting. Is it as simple as that? We shall find out. Alright, these things here. I'm going to be using them more than once. So let us put that up here. And now it's just this that I want to focus on. Alright, it goes into chatting state, and right after chatting state, so it's going to return once it's finished that. If it's not doing chatting state, then it's coming back to normal. And I don't care if I am in range or not. I just have to set him back to normal in the MySQL, because anyone coming into the room will go and find them at normal. Even though I'm going to be either in chat or normal, they need to come and find him at normal. And to do that, we need to test. And to test, I need to build. And I want to get rid of that page. Alright, don't need you anymore. Thank you. What would we do without Stack Overflow? And once this is working, this is all I really wanted to get done today. I'm going to focus on some other stuff today, which I might be streaming live on those, which is programming a point of sale system. That won't be near as complex as doing an RPG game. I've already made one already, so I'm just doing it again, but I'm going to be using Unity to create it, because Unity does good interfaces, so why not? And hit play. Okay, so my first guy is going to run in, run up to that player, and initiate a chat. So I'm in chat right now. That should have changed on the database. Three. Oh, okay. 3 means it's in chat. So I have to set that back to 1. Nope, set it back to 0, sorry. It's only going to go, 3 is because I went into chatting. So when I come back from chatting and I load that data, if it's a 0, make it chattable. I don't need this. I'm just going to say, if it's anything else, I can't chat. And the upload is only going to be a 0 or a 3 anyhow. I could do that and put a 3 there, but I'm just gonna play it safe and say no matter what, can't chat. But then that would set him, no, cancel.